In this video, you will learn how to delete iPhone notes and recover deleted notes on an iPhone or iPad. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to delete iPhone notes. In order to delete notes on an iPhone or iPad, you have to just go to Notes, and once you are in Notes, open the note that you want to delete. Let's suppose we want to delete this one. So in order to delete this, we will simply tap and hold this until we get these options, and you can see here we get the option to delete. So we can simply tap on delete and this note will be deleted. Similarly, we can also open any note that we want to delete, and once that is opened, we can also tap on this three dot icon and there we get the delete option. So we can tap on delete and the note will be deleted from there as well. And once these notes are deleted, these notes are moved into a folder named recently deleted notes. You can see if I go back and scroll down, here you see there is the folder named recently deleted. So if we tap on this, we can see all the notes that we just deleted. So just know that the notes that you delete from your iPhone or iPad, they live into the recently deleted folder for up to 30 days. And if you want to permanently delete them, you will have to delete again from the recently deleted folder. And you can do that by selecting the note that you want to delete and then tapping on delete option again. And that will ask for confirmation whether you want to permanently delete this, because this action cannot be undone. So I'll just tap cancel and show you another method using which you can delete multiple notes at once. So for that, you will have to tap on edit, and after that you get this check mark. So you can select multiple notes at once and then tap on delete and then confirm for the deletion. And once confirmed, these notes are permanently deleted from your iPhone, iPad, Mac and iCloud as well. So you can't recover these notes after that. Alright, so now that we are talking about the recovering of notes, it's good time to learn how you can recover the deleted notes on your iPhone and iPad. So let's learn. To recover the deleted notes on your iPhone and iPad, you have to go to recently deleted folder inside Notes app. You can see we are currently in Quick Notes. So we will go back or simply tap on folder, and there we will see all the folders inside the Notes app. We will scroll all the way down and we will see recently deleted folder here. So we just need to tap on that, and here we will see all the notes that we just deleted. So if you want to recover any specific note, you will have to tap on that and just long press that and then tap on move. When you tap on move, you get the option to select the folder to which you want to move it. So I'll select Quick Notes, and now that note has been moved from recently deleted folder to Quick Notes folder, and that has been recovered as well. Similarly, you can open any note, and after that you can tap on this folder icon, and that will provide you with the options to select the folder to which you want to move it. I'll move it to the Quick Notes, and now that has been moved. So that is how you can recover the notes on your iPhone and iPad. And as you can see in Quick Notes, those deleted notes are available here and recovered as well. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn various Notes app tips, tricks and hidden features, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.